What are the ultimate goal of the language arts and multiliteracy curriculum? As a future language teacher, how can you contribute to the realization of this goal?
So the goal is to develop good communicators and help learners achieve highly developed literacy skills. And as a future language teacher to contribute fulfillment or the realization is by emphasizing the curriculum and fulfilling the aspiration of our government and also the goals of our programs.
Explain each component of language arts and multiliteracy's curriculum framework. Give practical examples on how each component was translated and applied in an elementary language classroom.
Language learning process. So how language is learned. So according to my research, there are three categories of learning. A language learning, learning through language, and learning about language. So an example of learning a language is the young children learn how to express themselves through written language and opportunities to form letters, words, and sentences. So next is learning through language. So example, lectures, ask questions, discussions, and assign reading and writing books. So next is learning about language. So example is through the study of grammar and spelling. So that's effective language use. So it means how do you understand the content that will develop through language. So example, the teacher will give instructions or rules. Example is please keep quiet, please sit down, and etc. That's meaning through language. So it means through language we create meaning. So use language that engage students in symbolic play, allowing them to imagine and create characters, script and ideas. Plus, share stories from their respective cultures and relive well-known stories. So some of the primary school activities are painting their like bahay kubo scene or the scenery of their environment of what happen. So lastly is holistic assessment. So it is feedback on the effectiveness of this course. So for example, giving students a task to read stories. So let them answer the questions given and asking them some their opinions and let them explain.